Assalamualaikum. How to drafting men's boxer shorts pattern. So keep watching full video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe my channel. Click bell icon button for next video.
Measurement: length 14 inch, waist 32 to 33, hips 38, leg opening 20. So keep watching to end. Let's see starting pattern drafting. Boxer shorts pattern drafting. Drawing a vertical line, middle line, pant middle line, full pant waist line, 14 inch length, 1 inch, half inch shrinkage allowance, pant bottom, leg opening line, cross and thigh point line, hip 38 divided by 9.5 inch cross line, thigh and cross line 9.5 divided by 3 inch hip position, leg, thigh, hip, waist, front hip 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch, 4 3/4, 9.5 inch, 9.5 inch same, front cross with hip 38 divided by 20, 38 divided by 20, we got 1.9 inch less 38 inch, 1.5 inch front cross width. Drawing front hook line, front right line, waist 30 to 33, extend, waist extend, hip 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch, and waist keep 9.5 inch, leg 20 inch, 20 minus 1.5, 18.5 inch halves, 9/4 half, 4.58 inch, front inseam. Here I added 2 inch waistband seam allowance, waistband folding line, half inch seam margin, elastic sharing, waistband inside sharing mark, pocket opening 2 inch at waistband, pocket opening length 5 3/4 at side seam, pocket opening line 1 inch hem, half inch seam allowance, 1 inch hem turn back, half inch seam allowance, 1 inch hem turn back, 1 inch half inch seam allowance, 1 inch hem folding line, half inch seam allowance, folding line 1 inch for after fold. Come to here, men's boxer swim short front part pattern drafting finish, 38 seam margin, 38 seam margin at front rise, 38 seam margin at in front inseam, green line, front part cut 2 piece. Men's boxer swim shorts pant front part pattern drafting finish. Now here start I cutting front part. After cutting, then I make back part based on front part. Men's swimming shorts boxer front part pattern drafting finish. Here I make now make back part drawing based on front part 1.5 inch before I lace from leg opening, make for back cross with 1.5 inch adding at leg opening before I lace from leg opening 20, 1.5 inch lace and make 18.5 inch swim short boxer back inseam line, 1.5 inch hem folding line, thigh line, hip measurement position line, waist line 2 inch waist fold line, green line, half 38 seam margin, back part cutting, bottom hem folding, 2 inch waistband height, waistband fold, waistband sharing, 9.5 4 times, 9.5 4 times, 38 inch. Relax waist, 32 to 33. 6 inch sharing. Back and front 4 part, 1.5 inch, 4 times 6 inch, 6 inch sharing. And after swing and complete, relax waist measurement 32 to 33. Swim shorts, men's swim shorts, boxer, pant pattern, back pattern directing finish. Front part before I direct. Now I make pocket, front pocket opening 2 inch at waistband seat, and for front pocket opening and 5 3/4 at side seam. Now make pocket back 6.5 inch with pocket back length 10 inch from waist seam, top of waist. Pocket back half inch exit from top of waistband, 2 inch pocket length at pocket side seam. Front pocket back fold line, pocket ace. Pocket bottom, create seam margin, adding at pocket bottom line. Front pocket back pattern cutting, create seam margin at pocket opening, top side pocket back green line. Make front pocket pacing with 4 inch at waist seam. Front pocket pacing length 7 inch from waist, top of waist. Front pocket pacing trace and make copy. Pocket pacing, half inch seam allowance, 2 inch waistband folding line, pocket opening line. Notch mark at pocket opening side seam, notch mark waistband folding line, notch mark at top of waist folding line. Drawing 3/8 seam allowance at pocket opening line and cut and make inside pocket inside top pacing. This one down pacing, green line, pocket pacing, cut. Top pacing, half inch over from top of waist, inside folding line. Pocket pacing, 3/8 seam margin, 1 1/4 pocket pacing opening, green line. Top pocket pacing, cut, pocket pacing, top side. When I start swing from here and swing and folding inside. Front pocket, top, bottom pacing, pocket pacing, swing, pocket pacing, swing on pocket back side. Men's boxer swim shorts pant pattern drafting. Front part pocket pacing, top underside, pocket back part. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video.